We're ready to sort of look for continued opportunities here. Our business in Vietnam has grown quite nicely, and today's sort of a chance for us to be with the entrepreneurs we've backed over the last 10 years and reflect back on what the journey has been here.
How would you characterize asset valuations in Vietnam, Chip? I mean, clearly it's a big beneficiary of the China Plus One strategy. How much of a disciplined are you taking in terms of an approach when it comes to acquisitions and investments?
Yeah, I'd say the three things that have really kept us attracted here have been what's been this very reasonably stable macroeconomic framework over the last 10 years. A couple of regulatory hiccups that over the last year that I think the government has been responding to reasonably well. And it's sort of the second point I'd raise, which is really a business-minded government that engages with the business community and recognizes the opportunity that it has with the young demographic profile, one of the highest female labor force participation rates, clearly a beneficiary of sort of a manufacturing and logistics hub around the region. But I think what's always been most attractive about Vietnam has really been the depth of the entrepreneurial class here. And when we look at the founder entrepreneurs and CEOs that we've been able to partner with here, it's reinforced the message we've had as a firm really since our inception, which is go find talented entrepreneurs we can grow and build a business with. And that tagline fits Vietnam quite well.
Talking of taglines, there is a big opportunity. I saw a headline recently quoting you, a big opportunity to localize models from China and India to Southeast Asia. And that really is a nod to what many describe Vietnam as, and that is China 2 or 3 decades before. How is that strategy working out in Vietnam, and how does it color how do you deploy there?
No, I think, a big part of our strategy in Southeast Asia since our first investment here 10 years ago has been to sort of think about some of the themes that we saw play out in China, India when we began in those markets 30 years ago, and think about how they now apply here. And if I look at our largest investment here, BW Industrial, it is building, it's the largest builder of logistics and ready-built factory space for the industrial and logistics businesses that are moving here as part of that regional integration that you sort of referenced.